Well, hello there and welcome to another training nugget. In this video, I'll be showing you how to work with forms in Clickup. Let's get started. Well, Clickup is here to help us have the least trouble when we're setting up tasks and working with our project. Setting up a form in Clickup comes in handy when you want to create your tasks and subtasks automatically without navigating directly into the Clickup interface and moving things up and about. In short, it simplifies the way you create and manage your workspace. To put that into practice, this is how we go about it. Well, to create a form in ClickUp, you'll have to navigate into your working space. Once you are in your space, you will select the task in question. In this case, I want to incorporate or create a form that will trigger an activity inside my video production. Well, to do this, I'll make sure that I'm in my video production task. Then I'll navigate into the top section where there is list, board, calendar, Gantt, and there is form option. If your form option is not available here, just navigate into the plus view option, and on the flyout menu that pops up at the bottom, you'll find the form embedded at the very lower end. So to make this active, I'll click on the form section. This is the interface that I will be prompted with. I will minimize here so that I have enough working area. So I'll click on this toggle option to just push the sidebar a little bit away. And you can tell I have an empty form. This form goes directly into the video production task up here inside project management. I can create another task where this form will lie, but for now I will work with the video production, which was my initial. I would want a form that will create a task inside video production and probably set up a description and a due date. So I'll navigate to the left area where we have the task fields and then drag and drop them into the form area. So I'll pick the name form option, I'll drop it in there. I will also come and say I want the description. I'll come and drop it under the name, but depending on where you want yours to be, doesn't have to be the same. Also pick a start date of that specific project, and I don't want to build a big one, so for now just a small one. You can decide to change the names, the labels of the text in here if you want to. So once you're done, you'll click on submit. This is the submit option, so you can edit to change whether you want it to be submit or enter or login, among many others. Well, once this is done, this is the edit mode. I can change this into view mode, and this is how my form looks like, including the submit button. I may want to copy this link so I can share it with myself or my team members, or see how this works from a different interface. I've copied it in. So I'll go ahead and open a new tab and paste in, so to see how the form looks. So this is how the form looks like in a plain interface on my browser using the link that has been provided. So I want to do a test task in here. So I'll call it demo test task. Very interesting name there. Description, say done for now. And then the start date, I'll just pick a random date on my calendar. When I click on submit, the form responds back with a thank you message. So if I navigate back into my ClickUp, go back into my tasks in here, and probably I'll have to change the view to list view. If you come into the video production task in here, you can tell that we have created the demo test task in the project management space video production task. Well, That is how you work with forms in ClickUp. See you in the next nugget.